This is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data, then find the nearby share shortcut at the control panel, touch and hold at it. Then you can activate this feature by turning the switch on. From here, the nearby share is pretty much ready to be used, but there are still quite a few configurations that we can make to it. For example, you can rename the device if you want to. You can make it visible or invisible, as well as restrict its visibility or not restrict it if you'll set its visibility to the everyone mode. And in here you can also manage the data type that will be used for the file transfer. At this point, everything is set up, so now let's test this feature out. So let's say I'll try sending this screenshot from my Nokia phone that I have. So for some reason it took it a good minute to discover my tablet, but anyway, it was able to finally. So now let's pair those devices, and once the time comes, I should accept the transfer and wait for the image, or for the screenshot in this particular case, to be sent and received. So let's wait. Already, so as you can see, the picture was successfully transferred. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.